Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zepsiu, here to teach you Hakka vocabulary. 其实每天呢，不管是晚上或者是早上，都一定会碰到的一个东西就是床，一个是要睡觉了，一个是要起床，对不对？所以我们今天应该要来教一些单字呢，跟床有关系的 ，OK？Let's teach you terms associated with the bed. 所以呢，我们刚刚讲了起床嘛，早上要起床哦 ，getting up from bed。
哄床
哈，要把它轰啊？
不是，就是轰。你有没有听过？轰起来就是起来啦。哦，轰床就是起床。
轰床 ，OK, that means getting out of bed. It sounds like blasting you out of bed. 要把它轰出来，就让人起床的那种感觉了。
那么可怕啦！对，海陆腔的起床
，OK，
哄冲
就比较没有轰了啦哈，要哄你出来了。
对，
要哄一哄啊。
起床了。
In a different dialect, it sounds like pamper you out of bed. 哄冲，OK。再来呢，有些人要起床，可是起不来。像我会赖大概10分钟的床，
是吗
？10分钟还算 OK 了哈。
OK 啦。
A lot of people can't get out of bed and they like to laze in bed. They like to laze around in bed. 要赖床怎么说？
晕床。
晕床 ，OK, lazing in bed.
对。
再来教就是床要铺床单嘛，那不一样的颜色就有不一样的心情。Different bed sheets give you different moods in the bedroom, and so let's teach you how to say bed sheets. 床单。
床巾。
床巾。OK, 就床单，那种感觉啊，床单。OK, that's the bed sheet. All right, let's make a sentence out of one of these terms right here. 就是早上常会听到妈妈、爸爸都会叮咛的话。赶快起床了，上课要迟到了。对，有些是老公也喜欢赖床，就变
赶快起床了，上班要迟到了。
对，都有可能。OK, let's teach you how to say hurry up and wake up because you're almost late for work or almost late for school. OK,
赶哄床，
这就是
赶快起床。
赶哄床 that means hurry up and wake up.
上班
that means going to work.
外父唔擦咧，
那如果是上课呢？
上課，
所以就上課 voice 唔擦咧 You're almost late for school. All right, let's review these vocabulary. 起床 waking up.
哄床
and then lazing in bed 賴床在那裡
暈床
and finally the bed sheet 床單
床巾
and there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.